Welcome. Today we are going to make tomato kurma for chapati and idli. First heat the fry pan and pour 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. If the seeds pops, then add 1 sliced onion. Slice the onion lengthwise, like this. Saute it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes add 1 sprig of curry leaves, and 1 chopped green chilli. Saute it for a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until its smell goes. Now add 4 chopped tomatoes in this. Saute it little. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute it until the tomatoes cooked well. Now we will prepare the grinding ingredients. For this, take a blender jar, add 1/4 cup of coconut pieces, 1/4 cup of roasted Bengal gram, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 cloves, small size cinnamon. Grind it nicely like this. You can add little amount of water when grinding. Now the tomatoes are done well. Now add half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Saute it. Now add the grounded coconut into this. Add some amount of water. I have added 400 milliliters water approximately. Close it and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, taste the kurma, then add the salt and chili powder, as per your taste. Stir it for some time. Now you can sprinkle some amount of coriander leaves. Wow! The tomato kurma is ready. Please try at your home. If you like our recipe, please subscribe and share with your friends. Comment and like the video. Thanks for watching.